Wow, this envelope is huge. I can barely fit it in the whole camera. Let's open it up and see what's inside this envelope. What's really going on, PEZ Collecting Fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments. Oh, I got a note. I love notes, concerns. Ooh, and a postcard. Any and everything down below. Aww. Just keep swimming and collecting PEZ. The local PEZ head from Cleveland, Ohio, Karen Canterbury. Thank you, Karen. I appreciate that very much so. I am going to set this right here. Josh, I hope you enjoy the PEZ watch. Is that what's inside here? Oh, hold on a minute. I can't wait to see your video. Well, if you're watching it, then yay! I'm looking forward to seeing you next year at PEZmania. I'm actually going to the Michigan one, also the Michigan PEZ convention. I've never been outside of Cleveland, so I'm excited. Oh, to the one outside of Cleveland. Oh, okay. I was about to say, there's more to the world than Cleveland, for sure, so I can understand why you were so excited. I hope you enjoy the holidays. Take care of your PEZ friend, Karen. Thank you, Karen. Thank you very much. Oh, I got a watch. I don't even have to open it. I know I have a watch. Seems too... Oh, come on. Oh, you double taped it. Come on. Oh, right. Oh, that is cool. All right. So, this is a slap bracelet watch that PEZ came out with. Oh, it was designed by Amy K. Well, way to go, Amy. This thing looks pretty cool. We're going to open it up. All right. Whoa, wait a minute. Number 504? Have they made that many? I sure hope not. I am way behind on my watches, if so. Oh, wow. Collect all the limited edition Watch-A-Two designs. How many have you got? Well, this one, of course. This one here. Let's see. All right. Here are the different steps. Oh, that's how you change your battery and such, and then reinstall your watch. Okay. Let's see something. You're supposed to be able to take it, and then go, hey, it went right on. I know what time it is. It's PEZ time! Awesome. And then when I'm done with my watch, I can just set it like so. Oh, there we go. Very cool watch. Well, thank you very much, Karen. So until next time, ha ha.